Today, I'm going to show you how to use a breast pump step by step. When I first got mine, I was totally clueless, so don't worry, you've got this. Every drop counts, you're nourishing your baby with love. Step 1, prepare your pump. Unbox it if it's new, or make sure it's clean if you've used it before. Hygiene is key. A little preparation goes a long way. Step 2, find a comfy spot. Grab a cozy chair, a pillow, and some water. I like having my phone or a show ready to keep me relaxed. Relax, mama. Milk comes easier when you're calm. Step 3, start pumping. Hold the pump with one hand and gently squeeze the handle with the other. Start slow and find a steady rhythm, like a baby nursing. If milk flows slowly at first, be patient. A gentle breast massage can help. Small steps lead to big results. Keep going. Step 4, store milk and clean up. Put your milk in storage bags or containers, then into the fridge or freezer. Rinse pump parts with warm, soapy water right away, and do a full clean later. Care now keeps your pump working perfectly. And that's it. At first, it may feel a bit awkward, but you'll quickly find your rhythm. If it's uncomfortable, adjust the flange or technique. You're doing amazing, one pump at a time. Happy pumping, moms! Every session is a step in your breastfeeding journey. Celebrate every pumping session, you're doing a great job.